What's going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Oh boy. Hopefully we do not have a repeat of last week. Last week was absolutely miserable to sit here and watch. So we are going to obviously hope for the best. Looking like it's just going to be all about the scanners today. Really nothing on my radar as far as possible trades out of the gate. However, it does look like we might get a decent little open here based off of how the SPY is doing. It gapped up a little bit from Friday's close, and we're not back to all-time highs. All-time highs was around, let's see, 447, a little over 447. So I'm still getting back up to that, but a little ridiculous when it comes to the SPY. Every time it looks like it's going to dump, this thing just says, nah, I'm good. We're going to go back to the highs. So gonna keep an eye out on the SPY this morning to see how it's doing, just as far as our game plan is, looking for those high of day breakouts, etc. Maybe having to find something that's coming off the bottom, but not off the daily. Never looking for those ones coming off the daily, off the bottom, but something's coming off the bottom, kind of like the SPY. If we take a look back at the 60-minute here, something like this coming up and then making a breakout here could be worth looking for some kind of a double top type action there for a intraday trade. So we will see what happens. We got about 8 minutes here till the bell. Also, if you are on YouTube right now, I did start up Twitch again today. It's my first time back on Twitch. So if you want to go over there and give me a follow and say hello and all that good stuff, feel free to do that. And yeah, that's really all I got. I will join the Discord, see what they're up to, and let's go from there. Good morning. Oh, I'm assuming by what I walked into, you guys aren't seeing anything interesting either. See if Justin has anything he's finding. I'm gonna go make a shake this morning. We're actually on time, so I don't really have anything to do for the next 6 minutes, so I'm gonna go get my shake. Morning, Thomas. Good morning, Abhi. I'm gonna go with that, or is it Abhi? I feel like that looks like one that could be Abhi. Like I had said earlier, I think before all you guys got in here, I am starting up on Twitch again today. It's my first day back. I'm just gonna kind of see what it's all about. And like I said, I like the idea that I can raid some people while I'm over there. I'll go ahead and post the link in the chat. And oops, that's not the right one. There we go. And if you guys want to check it out, feel free. No pressure. But I've heard that it's a little bit better over there as far as latency. Yeah, everything's a little bit more real time. Colin, good morning. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes as far as people trying to follow in real time, as well as just seeing how the stream itself goes. So we'll see how that goes. So if you want to get head over there, drop a follow, as well as just watch over there, feel free. At the end of that stream, I'll probably find somebody to raid. So that's kind of the whole point of it, and we'll go from there. Looks like Trill is the big mover this morning. Looks like a buyout. Our big mover this morning's a buyout, huh? I can't wait to short it. I mean, hey, if I can, if for some reason it goes up to 1780, why not, right? Think of all those people that bought on that first move up because they had no idea it was a buyout. And they're sitting at 20 and they're like, wow, this is never, ever, ever, ever coming back here. Was that real? It is a lot of volume, so it could be. I wonder if somebody hit the wrong button. Because that's the wrong way. You would think if it spikes anyway, it would spike down from somebody selling their position. I always wondered, like, when buyouts happen, like, who are the people that are buying it? Like, why are you buying it so that you can get, like, certificates printed out and sent to your house? Like, I get so confused with that. It's like, I feel like everyone would want to just sell it and be done with it. Like, imagine waking up this morning, this thing was at $6 and it's getting bought out at $17.70. It's like, I'm selling. Yeah. Yeah. Sell. Yeah. Yeah, it's literally just slowly went down. Yeah, true. I mean, it has been higher, so that could be the reason. But how can it? Aren't they just gonna, isn't the this ticker just gonna disappear since it's gonna merge with Pfizer? Yeah. Oh wow, we are open. Everybody. Hopefully that's not an indication of what we're gonna be seeing here. My charts are taking. I just tried to load up PXLW. It's literally like 7 seconds. The SPY is kind of going higher, so it's good for the open, but it doesn't look like anybody wants to follow suit. Let's see, cruise line, the low cruise. So I'm closer to that. 2650. It's the big area on decent area at 25. Start if they want to make a move here. This works. EXLW something. As the yeah, that's what I'm watching. Watching EXLW. I don't know. I think it's just me talking. I don't think it's just try not to get too excited. Joel, welcome to the channel. Trying. Yeah, just pulled can up as well. CA. And a bigger company. So we got CAN, BTCM, EXLW up. They all look like they could make a move so far. Next fair. $880, lower 9, and then some pretty good resistance there. 880 is kind of a minimum for where I start this thing. Can has some decent room. 2, 10, 1050. It's definitely got some room. I would have definitely at least wanted over 9 for that one. Literally all three of the ones I was watching or am watching are now worth watching. This one double topped. This one attempted to break out, did not, and also did not. Some more water real quick. SIEB off the very bottom. E at the end, yeah. $4 stock. Low volume. V VLDR make it looks like a nice move. How much volume also off the bottom? V. Ash, you smoking again? Yeah, mine were doing that earlier. Maybe because that chart just has no volume yet, it's not loading. Yeah. Oh, look at that recovery. The big dip at the open. Yeah, look at that big dip at the open. Wow, this open. Wake me up. Uh, on your point of interest. While it's nice and boring, again, for anybody that has just come in, I have a link in the chat for my Twitch that I just started up. There's really no reason behind it, more so than I think they have a better streaming platform. And if you want to go over there and watch, it might be, you might get a little less latency. So if you're looking to watch me in more real time, that would be probably the better place to do it. As well as at the end of the stream, I can raid somebody else with all of you beautiful faces. All of you beautiful faces. Obviously, I have both of them running at the same time, so there is absolutely no pressure to go one way or the other. Not looking to, you know, make a career out of either of these. It's just more of a preference thing. I had a couple people ask me about it, and I had done it before. So on the Friday night live stream, it was pretty easy to set it up real quick because it was pretty much already set up. Just had to change a couple things. So that's all. XERS has a ton of volume. Here's their SIEB is open. I was looking for 5. That first move wasn't really that great, and there was like no volume at that point. It's not really a setup for me. If it would have went through 5 there, I would have been in. Same. No, right back, huh? EV. This one we had up earlier. I was like, there's a reason we took that one off. Bottom dweller. Abfill. Plug is that's a nice comp or nice move, but huge comp. It's nice plug. Oh man, this is no fun. Haha, get it? PHUN, fun. Haha, ha, ha, ha. Which Tesla? What's the old Tesla? Assuming, look. Yep. That's the thing though, you can't really follow along with those trades unless you can see his level 2 as well. Because you don't know what the price is currently at. Because it just says Tesla average is 11.18, but you can't see. Ooh, he's already in with an ad here at the double top. I mean, that's a really strong move off the bottom, but this could be a really dangerous area. I actually have some Tesla. I totally forgot about that. In my I bought some in my long-term account. I don't even remember what my average is. I want to say like 668. $6.79. Sorry. I was a little off there. I literally bought fractional shares. I only bought $100 worth. I actually had like 300 and some dollars to use for that. And I was going to just put it all in at once, but I had, thought that we might overall in the market, because it seemed like it was getting ready to pull back. I wanted to scale into it 3 times, but as of right now, it's saying, no, I'm good. We're just going to break out. I was just saying it's another huge company. AMC. I mean, and meme stock, blah blah blah. You know the yard. That's the obviously rooting for GDT here, but this is the reason getting short before these areas can be such a hard spot to put yourself in, because these these are breakout areas. So that's the rock between a rock and a hard place, because it's like it could double top, sure, but if it breaks out and you're already short, this is what it could do. So it's tough. It's a tough spot. It's not an easy trade by any means. Should I sell my Tesla? I think I might just sell it. Small little profit. Huh? How do I? How do you sell just your position? Sell to close. By the time I figure it out, I'm not going to want to sell it anymore because it's going to drop. I want. starting to pull back, but screw it. Yeah. Take a nice little swing trade winner there on Tesla. In at 679, out at 695. Call me a guru. Buy the dip, sell the rip. If I could have figured that out just a little bit quicker, we would have got the top. All good. I kind of realized that even if I got all like $300, almost $400 into that, like it's never gonna actually turn into anything. I feel like if I want to do anything, I would have to do option something. That's the other thing too. Like, so I don't know. Like, he's at 1036 now. The level 2 is showing 930s. So I don't know where on the actual chart he would have to get in order to get back towards break even. It's hard to follow. I mean, like, I get the idea of options. It's hard to follow if you're watching. Hey, Colin, do you happen to watch GDT while we're trading too? I was gonna say he's in Tesla and he got short before Friday's high, and now look at it. It's kind of that same thing that I'm always telling you about. Why shorting those double tops can be dangerous. Yeah, it's a tough trade because if you get short before a breakout point and then it actually breaks out, it can be a trouble. Yeah. I'm not gonna say anything to Justin because I jinxed him last time, so just talk to you guys about it. AQST 20 by December. It's got a long way to go, huh? I mean, if I was trading this and I was in up here, I would ideally be looking for it to come down and retest the Friday's high. So fortunately, Tesla is one of those ones where it's just going to do whatever it wants to do. It's such a big company, 676 billion. Breakdown. Flush, baby, flush. I feel like it's like fake. It's getting people stops. People that were long might be using the bottom of this candle. Big money's just eating that liquidity. That's what it feels like right now. They hold it here and then try to make it go higher. All the shorts realize it's not going lower. They start to cover. A lot of selling pressure though. Let's see. That was a good spot for it to close. Oh, there goes AMC. AMC just kind of got a lot of volume and broke out. It was a good spot for this candle to close, right? Looks heavy. Close below that area, but it's buyers. Ooh, that's good. Every time it's trying to go up, it's getting shoved back down, so that's good. It's the matter of who's going to win this battle here. Somebody's trying to push it down. There it goes. Go, go. I feel like right now we're watching some big money going back and forth here. It didn't even get back above 696. It's time to drop. At least retest the 692. If it gets back through 696 here, that's not good. It might go straight to high. This is a battle for sure. Yeah. It's looking pretty heavy though. Four contracts. Four contracts. It's options. So technically that's 400 shares. Well, no, he's down what he said. That's his unrealized. But I'm just saying, four contracts. It's essentially one contract is 100 shares. It's trying to break down, but people just keep buying it up. Check on the SPY. Oh yeah. He's SPY going for all-time highs. Ugh. Yeah, it's almost there. Within $1. It keeps getting shoved down. These wicks are good. It's just does not feel like it wants to go down. But look at, I mean, every indication. Look at these wicks. Almost an engulfing candle to the downside. It's like somebody is just soaking some shares. Just waiting for this to go higher. $6.96 is going to be a pretty key area. It's going to halt. Tesla, there, broke it. Put it at 696. Yeah, I'm going to be watching Alpha out of the halt for sure. 15? Woo. Oh, 10.15. I thought you meant $15. I was like, whoa. Do it, Tesla. Fail. Nope. Oh, it was so close. Don't do it. Go straight down now. Come on. No good. What's up, Vincenzo? Hey, all you guys here on YouTube, go over to my Twitch real quick and drop me a follow. Maybe even sit on both channels for me. Show a little support. Love you guys forever. Love you long time. Alpha's open. Was that 5 minutes? I was looking through 1050. Through 1050, I'll probably be in Alpha. On Alpha? That's twice now out of a halt. We couldn't get that extra little push. Trying not to let FOMO get me here. I was ready through 1050. It just stopped at 1049. I would want more now because it already gave a pretty good pullback. SPY is crazy. Yeah, I might have to go back into stream. Yeah, I'm watching. Aha, 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 aha. Yeah, I would have been up walking around somewhere. He stays so cool, calm, and collective after those. I don't know how he does it. Yeah, those options. That's what I was explaining to the stream. I don't really, it's hard to follow those because, there's no dots on the chart, as well as you can't really follow it by the price. It's really not that hard. I mean, just think of it as one contract is 100 shares and everything else is kind of the same. It's just you're using smaller numbers because you're using strike prices, and like basically if you're betting on it going down, it's a put, which I'm sure you know. If you're betting on it going up, it's a call. And so you basically find one, like usually the people that are trading them intraday, like day trading them, they'll choose the one that's going to expire today and they'll pick a price. So like and it'll be generally near that same price that it's at now. And all it does is basically say the odds of this getting, or so if you're shorting it, the odds of it going down are this compared to the strike price. So that's how much you would pay for it, the premium. I guess it is a little bit more difficult because I don't know it enough to like explain it well, obviously, because I feel like I'm just shooting out gibberish. Trying to see like if you guys are following me on Twitch. It's not. It's that. Negative. Things rotated like 6 times already. Wish I knew which. See what. Look. Spy. Tesla. I sold my little Tesla swing that I had. I was in at 678. Sold it up here. think I got 96. Look at me, swing trader of the year, baby. Guru. Yeah, things crazy. Spy going for it. Just if I knew this. But I also don't want to mess up. Jag said that like 30 seconds ago. It's this one, since it's this one. Can it not do YouTube and Twitch at this? Batman. I always think of that skit where they're laying there, him and Bane with the girl, and he says all the dirty stuff. You know what I'm talking about? College Humor. I just posted it. It's absolutely phenomenal. So watch it when you get a chance. Phenomenal. It really is. It's a classic. Once you watch that once, you'll remember it forever. True. Dude, it's so funny. Oh, it's totally worth it. No, at least not right now. Pfizer vaccine has officially received full FDA approval. Maybe that was the spike Pfizer had this morning. Maybe that's why it gapped up. Could have been. Well, I'm glad to know that what's in me is FDA approved now. Not that I really knew it. Did they have magnets hanging from their face? Let's see if I somehow just add a whole separate. Oh boy. Why would you assume something so silly, Steve? No. CLSK kind of volume out of nowhere. Oh, but you should. What a beautiful day. Let me count do the ABCs real quick. One. It's not as often as you would think. But I really think that's because like I'm not getting the hits. So like you would think it's automatic. What's up, Mr. Motivational Speaker? Swore. Let me log out. I could have swore there was a way you could test the alerts. so I can again for the sub. Where, oh, where do I test these alerts? You didn't get any of it? Because we got some of it. Can somebody be so kind to go follow me on Twitch that isn't already following me, and then let me know that you followed me, because I want to see if it comes up. Thank you. Hey, I don't know if any of you are listening to my stream, but if you're not, I'm looking for help because I can't figure something out. I'm going to post my Twitch link. I want you guys to go there and hit the follow button. Yeah, on Discord. Well, to follow though, you would. Well, I know I'm on there. I just can't. I don't know if the alert box is working. So if like someone follows or whatever, I don't know if it pops up. Should be like the little heart. Oh, I think one of them is me. I don't know who the. You shouldn't have to. You should be able to use the browser if you want. Oh, is that me? I heard it, but I don't see it. I heard something, but I didn't see anything come up. You want to follow the for some reason it did. Um, because I love. Well, someone did it, but it didn't pop up. So I heard it, but I didn't see anything. And it's in front of every. See, I'm hearing it. You nil ocean, nil ocean. See, I'm hearing it, but I'm not seeing it. Thank you, Francis. I see that you said you're fine. Was that? Are you want to? There was another one. Still nothing. Yeah, I don't. I can redo those now, so that I'll. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, 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 hey. I actually did. I put some beard oil on this weekend just for you. It did not make a difference. Dude, I'm telling you, I have so much like I use conditioner 3 times a week, so it doesn't really like my hair can't get any softer than it already is. Like it's so soft, it's ridiculous. Yeah, see? It's essentially the same kind of hair, so it would make sense. I try to look at it the other way so it's not as gross, you know, we just have facial hair down there, pubic region. I was like, there is not one person that does that. Devin, Devin seems like one that could wear dreadlocks like on his head. Is it this? Let's see. Add things throughout the day. That's not how this works. Oh. There's not supposed to be one on my YouTube stream. That's how bad YouTube's live streams are. Well, I did, but they're not on there anymore. So yeah, it's supposed to be completely live at the moment. It never is. Why does this not work? I wonder if I have to like reset OBS for it to work. Like, I wonder if it has to reset. I don't know how to. Geez, look at Tesla. It just went straight. I guess I should have held, huh? Maybe I could something else to make. Oh, there. Found it. I found how you can test it. Thank you guys anyway. See, it's popped up. It's not. I'm hearing it. So that's the confusion. I'm gonna leave it alone now because I really think this needs to reset. Yeah. I told you that trend line. It didn't even get to the trend line that it had on this on the daily. Yeah. Like, all right, let's let everyone think this is what's happening, even though we know it's not. Francis, so I'm doing Twitch just to kind of mess with it to see if it's better than YouTube, because I know a lot of people were complaining that the lag on YouTube was like getting a little annoying. So I'm trying this out just to see what it's like as far as the quality and whatnot. And I really like the idea that at the end of the stream I can raid somebody. I really like that idea. So if we get a decent amount of people on here, you know, like 20 or so people, we can raid somebody and, you know, make somebody's day. Somebody that might not be a big streamer, or, you know, somebody that we just support, et cetera, et cetera. Like if Justin was still on when we leave, you know, I would have no problem sending everybody that's watching him over to me, or from me over to him. Watching this BYSI, this thing has some room, has some decent range. Really nowhere that I see that is going to hold it down, though. That's kind of the issue. 25 area, maybe. Plus, this hasn't really had any FOMO. Kind of just grinding. Now here's kind of a bit of a attempted pullback. Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot, Francis. See what it's all about. I'm gonna do both for now. But if Twitch starts to take off a little bit and it is better quality, it's a little bit more live, I'll probably end up just on Twitch and then still post the recaps on YouTube. See, I see in my dashboard, I can see that you just followed, so thank you. But it's not showing up on the stream. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna X out of OBS and then get right back in, and we're gonna see. I should come right back up online, but I don't know if it's gonna start a whole new one on YouTube. It's the only thing. I'll wait. I'll be patient with it. I'll wait till we're. I kind of want to start making some onions for lunch though. Maybe I'll do that. It's a pretty slow day. Let's see how this raid thing works, and then we'll worry about that. If you guys want to come hang out in the Discord, I still talk in the Discord, so if I take any trades, you can come in there. Let's see. Let's see if we can find a channel first, because I think that's the first thing we would want to do. Do you have my stream up in the background somewhere? You probably think that you were better now. Like that? I mean, I was talking to the stream. That's bad. So the Daily Song GameStop. We don't want to miss a trade. So we don't spy. Let's see. Oh, nope. It's kind of hard to see everything. Let's see. This guy. Loose money moves. Bitcoin smashes 50K. Spy near all-time highs. Doing a small account challenge, it looks like. He went from 5K to 2.5K, and now he's at 25K, or he's trying to go to 20. All right. I have no idea how to so, let's try to figure that out. No, don't do that. Do I just need to, let's see, back to mod view, maybe. You have to add the raid widget in the dashboard if you have it. I probably don't. Should be one of the big buttons on the. Let's see. Well, let me get out of mod view then. It's probably not helping. Spurs. I feel like I'm missing it. Quick action. Secret. Is it in mod view? Is that, do I have to be in mod view? Or are you saying, oh, the creator dashboard? That's probably why. Ah, look at this. I didn't even know this existed. All right. All right, where did you say? Quick actions on the right. And items. Everything just says recommended. Try manage stream. There we go. Okay, so raid channel is on there. Let's see, pick channel. Oh, you have to pick one that you follow. So you have to go follow the channel. Let's do that. Pop up. There we go. All right, guys. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate that. I will be back tomorrow morning, obviously. Feel free to jump in the Discord if you want to. Hit me up on Twitter if you want to find me outside of Discord. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. How long does this take to raid? Did I do it? Did I do it right? Thought I hit it. Oh, raid now? Oh, okay. Here we go. All right. I didn't see the raid now. Peace. Ooh, soundboard. Listen to the soundboard. All right. Gonna get out of here on YouTube as well. I'm assuming I am off of Twitch. Not sure. Maybe. I don't know. I think I am. We will yeah, okay, so I'm hosting there. Let me mute him there real quick. And all right, off of YouTube. I will see you guys later. Have a good day and see you tomorrow morning. Peace.